Ladies and gentlemen, I am Suleiman Ibrahim. This little video is for the issue of what has been going on in Nigeria today. First of all, let me start by saying DSS, Efcc, and SSS in Nigeria, they are a disgrace to their family members, and also they are disgrace to their president. Because I will not say that they are disgrace to Nigerians. Because today, those DSS, Efcc, and Icpc are the watchdog of the APC-led government today. They have no job than to be going around arresting the opposition party members. And while we see all level of corruption in their government and the APC-led government, what we came to finalize is that in Nigeria, if you defect back to APC, no matter how many people you kill, no matter how many funds you have stolen, when you join the APC, your sin will be forgiven. Now, let me take an example in the case of Nasir El-Rufai. El-Rufai was arrested on February, which is he was invited by the Efcc, and he honored the invitation, but he was detained for 42 hours. Now the Efcc found nothing, and they also found that the allegation that lay against him is some false information. He was released immediately. The Icpc and DSS nabbed him, put him under their custody, telling us that he violated the right, that because he mentioned that someone tapped the National Security Advisor no river to phone and give him an information. But constitutionally, if you see, this case lacked merit because it may just because of talk, because the Nasir El-Rufai did not say he tapped the phone by himself. He says someone tapped the National Security Advisor phone. Well, the DSS lacked something.